Welcome to Saddlebrook Estates and this absolutely gorgeous home. Wonderful open floor plan that's perfect for entertaining. Features include foyer, formal living room with French doors, dining room, family room with built-ins and gas fireplace, huge eat-in kitchen with corian countertops, upgraded cabinets, stainless steel appliances that include double ovens, one convection, keeping room with gas fireplace, large utility room, master bedroom with tray ceilings and 3 walk-in closets, master bathroom with dual vanities, garden tub and walk-in shower. Finished room over the garage with LG walk-in closet and full bathroom. Custom paint, crown molding, beautiful hardwood floors, lots of natural light, lots of storage throughout and walk-in attic. Side-loading oversized 2-car garage, large deck to enjoy the private wooded view.